Hi guys, do you know how to unsend an email that you have sent? No? Okay, today we can see that. Here, just click on the settings. Click on see all settings. Here in the fourth row, you can see undo send cancellation time period. Here you have four options 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You can select the time period, whatever you want. Okay, I have clicked on 30 seconds. Scroll down, save the changes. Now you are done. Now we can see an example of unsending an email. Just compose an email. Okay, just send hi. Here send. Here you can see undo options. Undo. If you click on undo, your email is not sent. Okay. Then go to settings. Then undo send. Then select the time. Then save the changes. It's done. Okay. Thank you.